Yo, what's going on guys, your boy Rebuilds and I back with a new video. And today in this video we're going to get stuck back into this Mini and hopefully get it as close to finished as possible. Now as you can see, we've got our front panel, we've got our bonnet in colour, which is quite lucky. We've got a cross member and that's basically everything we've got. Now the only thing we need to get now is the grille for the bonnet. The chrome, it sits actually around there. The grille for the main bumper, which isn't primed yet, which we're going to do in this video. We've got the paint sitting there that hopefully we will get a bit of paint on in this video as well, and that would be really good. And the only thing we've left to get is the aircon rod as well, because as you can see in the last video it was quite bent and it probably does need it. Now in the last video the front panel was still in the car, but I just went ahead there, I got it tucked out. All it was is the radiator pipes need disconnected and stuff, which is quite stupid. They actually come through the front panel here. Like there's a hole there and a hole up there. To me that's quite stupid. You know, sometimes you can't leave the radiators in the car, but unfortunately in this one you couldn't, so they will need blade and stuff. So there's no point stand talking. We're going to get this front panel in, basically put it in the same way you took it out, and I'll put this on the time lapse and we'll just get it done. So there you have it guys, that's the headlights and the front panel and stuff in. I know in a video I did say that the front panel was actually wrong, but it turns out this car I think has been fixed before, and someone actually has fitted a diesel front panel and actually fitted a diesel bonnet. Now to do that there, you know, the must mean the bonnet sits higher or something, because the engine must sit higher in diesel. Now quote me if I'm wrong, that's what the mini buys told me. So I've actually went ahead and got a petrol bonnet and a petrol front panel, so everything is now right with the car. Now this might be completely wrong, but this is just what I've been told. There's no real difference in the bonnet bar this middle bit, but to me it looks far better, that bonnet. We're going to get the stripes and stuff put on it. That's why I'm trying to get it built here, because the person's going to take it in the next day or two to put the two stripes down the bonnet just to match the roof and stuff. So basically what we're going to do now, we're going to get into the bumper, get it built. Now obviously, you know, the two fog lights, just two R56 25 thoraxes and the rest just clipping. Now I did drop this bumper like a spray and put a couple of wee scores on it, but the buff out with the buff, and other than that the finish on is actually really good. Now I did video me spraying the bumper and stuff, so I will add that in the next clip. So this next clip is going to be me spraying the bumper, and then we're just going to get in and build it.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. wanna risk it all again, but I don't wanna be on my own. It always goes much better in my head, but the feelings end up wasted. So I'm sorry for breaking down when you said you got me. I'm used to being let down, but I'm hoping if I'm falling too fast, then you'll catch me. You'll catch me. So I'm sorry that you might have to see I'm not flawless. I promise that I'm facing my problems. If I'm falling too fast, will you catch me? Will you catch me before I crash?
So you have it, guys. That's a wee mini completely finished. Well, I'm not going to say completely, but for the videos anyway, it will be done. This will be the last episode. Now, as you can see, there is a lack of things to finish off. There's a wee chrome to go around the bonnet, and the toy cover, I took it out and I can't remember where I've put it, so I'm hoping I'll find it. Front number plate to go on it, and obviously I haven't put the chrome on because there's 2 stripes to go down the bonnet yet. But off camera, basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to buff the bonnet, buff the bumper. I might even buff the whole car, just take any wee scores out. At the end of the day, like, the bonnet's not amazing, like, there is dinges in it, the car has dinges everywhere, you know. At the end of the day, it is a 2011 wee car, so there's no point spending that extra couple of pounds because you're not really going to see it, you know. It's going to have these war marks, where if it was perfect, someone would be questioning. So to me, it's better leaving the odd wee dinges on, especially in a car like that. It's only a quick flip, it's not like it's going to make my fucking thousands, you know. So another thing, we're waiting on the boot lock to come, or boot switch to come. I got it all valved inside, so it actually looks pretty good. Remember last time it was all like mouldy, and look at that there, very clean. Now it is a perfect wee car, only 90,000 miles on it, but we'll give it a wee service just before it goes. Obviously we're having the radiators blade here and they bleed the radiators, but I'll do all that off camera. So guys, hopefully it won't take long to flip this car. Some cars hide about for a while, but I'm hoping this one, as soon as I get up for sale, she'll just go out the door and we'll be able to get the next project in. Now the transporter is still in the oven, with a bit size pawn stuff left to do that, so there will be a video on it. I'll finish size pawn it and priming it and stuff, and hopefully we'll start getting it ready to get painted. I'm not there, as a lot of you probably going, well, is that's a GT4 wide body sleeker. Now apparently they're rare, I don't know. I'm actually doing it for a friend and I still haven't got it done, so I will be painting that probably in the next couple of nights. If any want to see a video on that there, just drop a comment down below. And yeah guys, if you did enjoy this wee build, now obviously there's not loads of episodes on it, it's just been a couple, and obviously if you've learnt anything or anything, make sure you do subscribe, because a lot of people actually aren't subscribed. Now I know we have got a lot of subscribers over the last couple of weeks, which I'm quite appreciative of. But anyway guys, if you did enjoy, make sure you drop a comment, like and subscribe. Peace.